Hello children, it is your teacher Pratibha Jha from Mother International Academy on the e-platform of English learning class. Today we will learn adverbs. Adverbs are word that modifies verb, adjective or other adverbs in a sentence. We can usually recognize an adverb by its function, manner or position. As I said, we can usually recognize an adverb by its function, manner or position. So first we will discuss function. The primary job or function of an adverb is to modify verb, adjective and other adverbs. So first we will take example where it will adverb will modify a verb. She speaks loudly. Here modifying verb. And second, modify an adjective. He is really handsome. In this, handsome. Here our adverb really it's a modifying adjective, that is handsome. And third one, modify another adverb. Here incredibly. This is adverb and which is modifying another adverb, that is slowly. We have already discussed function of an adverb. Now second one is manner. Many adverbs end in ly. We form such adverbs by adding ly to the adjective. Soft, softly, okay, and so this is how we form adjective by adding ly in an adverb, by adding ly in an adjective. You can see one example also here. The kitten landed softly on the stairs. But not all words that end in ly are adverbs. Friendly, for example, is an adjective. Some adverbs have no particular form. He is often late for class. Here often, and similarly we can say always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, seldom, never. Okay, so some words are, they don't have usual form, that means they do not end in ly every time. And third one is position. Adverbs have three main positions in a sentence. First one is front. Front before the subject. Now we will study adverbs. Here you can see now is adverb and it is before the subject we. Second, middle. Middle, the adverb come between subject and the main verb. In this example, second one, you can see that often is used between subject we and the verb study, main verb study. Okay. And then third position is end. So we use adverb here after the verb or of the object. After the verb or object, means at last we use adverb at the end only. So you can see here we study adverbs carefully. Here carefully is an adverb in this example and it has come at the last of the at the end only, at the end of the sentence. Now you will learn about kinds of adverbs. Today we will discuss three kinds of four kinds of adverbs only. First is adverb of time. Adverb of time tell us when things happen. You can see through these examples. Do it now. Here now is an adverb. In the second example, I'll see you then, or I will see you later. So then or later, this is also an adverb. And third example, she told me yesterday. So this yesterday, this all tells us about the time. Second type is kinds of frequency. These adverbs tell us how frequently or how often some action occur. You can see examples here. He never completes his homework. Second example, she always writes neatly. And we have third example, we sometimes play in the park. All underlined words are adverb. First one, never, always, sometimes. So when do we use always? When you do anything quite often, then it is called always. And when you do something not very frequently, then we use occasionally or sometimes. And when we do hardly, when we do less often, then we use seldom or rarely. And when you don't do, not at all you do, then we use never. And third one is interrogative adverbs. These are who, why, where, how, when. They are usually placed at the beginning of question. So the interrogative adverbs come in the beginning of a sentence. And examples here I have given. Why are you so late? And second, where is my maths book? And third one is, how are you? In all the examples, underlined words why, where, how, these are example of interrogative adverbs. And the last we are going to discuss today is adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity of an action. The water was extremely cold. Second example you see here, she has just finished reading. And third one is, my coffee is not hot enough. Here again underlined words extremely, just, enough. These are example of adverbs of degree. I hope I have made the topic clear. We will see you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me, children. Hope to see you soon.